Hello, what's up everyone? My name is Dimas and this is from the Bricky Train, Not Afraid Vlogs TV. I try to make cinematic vlogs with iPhones Pro Max, and I want to know how the sound if I record it with Zoom, whether it's good or not. It's close proximity. Hello. Sorry for the sound, and it's from far, and see how it looks like. And this is with the lights, and what if I turn it up because it looks very, then there is no shadow. So this is actually better because then your face is not like so harsh, like you don't get really harsh footage about how it should look like. I hope the sound also fine. Cool. So yeah, let me know what's the sound, how it's going. Well, it's not. If some of you are curious and want to make a podcast with iPhone and you consider about having Rode Go 2, this quality good or not, then maybe this video can be referral. If you haven't subscribed this channel, feel free, and time to pick up the kids. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.